In this video, we'll go over how to properly select your equipment. From the home screen of your Iponix 614, press the menu button. Then select option number 3, System Setup, with the wheel and press OK. Now select option number 1, Equipment Setup, by pressing OK. Then again, select option number 1, Quick Setup, by pressing OK. Now a table will appear showing the available equipment types. From this table, you can select up to 6 outputs. The default equipment types are lights, which are set to output number 1 and outlet number 1, CO2 injector, which is on output number 2 and outlet number 2, irrigation pumps on output number 3 and are on outlets 3 and 4, dehumidifier on output 4 and outlet 5, heater on output 5 and outlet 6, and ventilation fans on output number 6 and outlets 7 and 8. Any of these equipment types can be replaced with a humidifier or an air conditioner. If you choose to do this, the humidifier or air conditioner will take the place of the output and outlets of the unused equipment type. Use the wheel on the Select Each Equipment Type and button number 3 on the user interface to select or deselect each equipment type by checking or unchecking the box beside it. When you're through choosing your equipment types, go ahead and press OK. Then press OK again to acknowledge that you might lose the settings for any deselected equipment. Press OK again to save your changes. Once the controller returns to the menu, you can hit the Home button to return to the home screen. The home screen will now be populated with your equipment types, with each of the first 6 interface buttons corresponding to the same number output of the displayed equipment type. This can be used as a guide to show you which outlets to plug each equipment type into. You should also note that on numbers 7 and 8 of the equipment outputs do not actually have an outlet on the side of the box. You will need to hardwire those on the inside of the unit to the relays.